All right, we are here in Manage Departments, and let's talk a little bit about custom fields. So, Shape gives you the ability to create a custom tab in your system, just like lead details or quick app or portal, to be able to add up to 20 custom fields into your system to better match your workflow outside of what Shape comes with. So, I'm here under Settings and Manage Departments, and just pick the department you want to enable the custom tab for. Let's do billing. Then just choose the record type you want to enable it for. And when you scroll down, you will see it titled Custom. Go ahead and enable that. Hop back into Loans. And we have our custom tab enabled. We just need to give it a name. Let's call it Example. And hit Manage Custom Fields. All right, and from Manage Custom Fields, you'll see any custom fields you've already created, as well as the ability to add new ones. You'll see the option for basic text, numbers, drop downs, dates, emails, phones, currencies, and times. So just choose the type of field you want to create, hit Add Field. You'll see it populate on the list where you can edit the name. Let's call it Billing Date since we're in the billing department. And then you can reorder this as well just by clicking and dragging. These custom fields are not just plain text. You can use them in your reporting. You can pull them onto your list views to get a quick glance. You can have lead providers post into them. You can import into them. You can webhook them out of Shape. They are fully functioning, which is why they're limited to 20. Keep an eye on this. We're increasing things all the time, so they may be increased in the future, just depending on demand. But we hope this video helps. Again, you will find this custom field that you just created in the record type that you created it for. We hope this video helps. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions at all.